Hi guys, it's Kasha with Young Living Essential Oils. I'm going to tell you about this premium starter kit and how my family is using those amazing, mm, ah, smelling so good oils. I just put in diffuser lemon. Smells amazing. Give you some energy. Okay, so I'm going to start with what we got here. Lavender. Okay. Lavender is really amazing to support your sleep. We had a trouble with my son, and we were waking up 2-3 times during the nighttime. So what I decided to do, I just gave him a few drops of lavender diluted. I applied on his feet, on my feet. I also put a drop on the pillow, and you know what? We were sleeping really amazing. Ah, there was something because if somebody has trouble sleeping, then you will really appreciate lavender. Also, lavender has many uses. You can put for relaxation in the diffuser. It smells amazing. You can add it to your bath, and it relaxes you as well. Also, I'm adding to my laundry detergent. I'm using all since sometimes Young Living runs out um, of their Thieves laundry detergent. That's why I love to add like 8 to 10 drops. Lavender smells your clothes; they smell really good. Okay, another oh my goodness, it's the RC. We cannot live without. Because it supports your respiratory system. And I used it like 2 weeks ago. My son, on my husband, they were really sick. So I rubbed it on their chest, on my son diluted, on my husband not, on their feet, on their back. Amazing, amazing, huge difference. Next one, frankincense. My friends, they've been using essential oils for like 5 years. I started just a few months ago, and usually I'm just adding. They told me that's perfect for decreasing their wrinkles and prevent wrinkles. So you can use it to your moisturizer, and it's overall wellness oil. So it smells amazing. I love frankincense. If you're going to the gym or you're not going to the gym and you have like achy muscles or knees, what you can use is a pen away. Works really well. I really like it. And my Happy Monday oil, guys. Oh my gosh, stress away. I'm just rolling. Comes with the roller. It's a bonus, the best oil ever. I love it. It turns your blah Monday into yay Mondays. So I'm coming to work and usually I'm just saying Happy Monday, everyone. They're like, what? I'm like, yes. Having tough time, just inhale it and the stress just goes away. What we got next? Purification. You can add it in the diffuser for all the stinky stuff in your house. If you're frying fish or you have a smell, you don't like it, just add them into your diffuser. It just absorbs all the stink. Also, like if you have teenage boys and you're washing their gym shoes, just add a few drops to the gym shoes. Huge difference. Love it. Okay, this is the oil Thieves. We cannot live without Thieves. My son is healthy now, but every morning I'm diluting Thieves, adding few drops and putting on his feet because I want to promote, his wellness, and I want to support his immune system, and I don't want him to get all the yucky germs, in school. So that's what we are doing. Also, Thieves, saved us a few weeks ago. Um, I added to the diffused for like 2 hours, and I rubbed it diluted on my son's chest, on my son's back, and on his feet. Made huge difference, huge. My son, he felt it so much better. The same thing with my husband. I was the only one who didn't get sick, guys. While because I was taking oregano capsules. I'll show you oregano later. Um, Copaiba, it's amazing. You can add it to or blend with any oils. It supports. It smells really good and supports your wellness. All right. Then we got Digest. May not have the best smell, but who cares? It works. If you have any tummy troubles, or my son had constipation, just dilute it, rub around, tummy. Ooh, works like magic. You will love it. Peppermints. Oh, I love peppermints. Usually, what I do. I'm applying when I'm going to the gym. You will feel like instant. It like instantly feels like a cooling. Got those cooling spots. Yeah, it's instant. It's amazing. So that's what I'm doing with peppermint. And also inhale it. It gives you a lot of energy. I like even putting in my diffuser, or sometimes one drop into my water. Absolutely love it. It gives you like a boost of fresh energy. And the next one will be lemon. It's perfect for detoxification. Just add one drop into a water. Make sure that they're using glass or stainless steel. It smells amazing. And you know what? It's perfect for chemical-free cleaning. Don't use the soft scrub. Just simply use the baking soda. Then add few drops of lemon. You can clean your toilets. You can clean your sinks, and a little bit, of course, water. It's amazing. You don't need harsh chemicals, guys, and your children, they don't have to inhale it. You're going to love it. Also, you're going to get, a lot of samples for your friends. There's lemon, there's peace and calming, peppermint, lavender, tips, so you can, give it away. So, you know what? So other moms can use it, and help, to support the wellness of their family and healthy support system. They have also like some mini bottles. Yeah, you can give it away, the samples. They have also Ninja Red samples, which of course we drank already because it's amazing. You will absolutely love Young Living essential oils. I've been using them for a few months and they completely changed my life and my family overall wellness and health. Today, I just want to let you know if you decided you want to sign up with me, what I have for you guys. Yay! Amazon $25 gift card. I have also Gentle Babies book. It's amazing. So all moms will know how to use the oils. Excuse me. Just give me 1 second, guys. Another bonus, essential oil packet reference. So all those 3 items, they are like $50 worth. It's for you if you're going to sign up with me. Believe me. You know what? I heard from my best friends about the oils for like past 5 years, and I really regret I did not sign it then. And I didn't purchase my wellness kit, because I call it a wellness kit, because it has really make a huge difference in your children's life. And also when I'm giving away the essential oil reference guide, amazing. So just sign up with me. You can pick the guide or those, or not all together, or those 2 books and Amazon gift card, and I will post the link in the description. Enjoy using the oils. They are amazing and they will change your life and your family's life forever. Bye, guys.